Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate temperature notifications in the WeatherChannel application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and you will see three dots there. Press on it. After that you should select the first option here, which is settings. After doing so, you can see under the notifications category the ongoing temperature notifications. Press on it and you can select here the current location that you have selected or the default location where you are at the moment. You can check mark any of these and you have to give permission for this app to do that. And you can see that it stays like that and it is changed. You can also tap on it again and it will be deactivated. So this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.